Lesson 8. Solutions of equations. Essential questions. How do you determine whether a number is a solution of an equation? An equation is a statement that two mathematical expressions are equal. These are examples of equations. So I want to look at that for just a minute. They use the word equation. So this is a new word, a new math vocabulary word. And if you will see the word equal, it's in there for almost the whole entire word. So I always remember that there is an equal sign in an equation. An expression does not have an equal sign. A solution of an equation is a value of a variable that makes an equation true. So x plus 3 equals 5. X equals 2 is the solution of the equation because 2 plus 3 equals 5. So if we add that equation over to the side, x plus 3 equals 5. And we subtracted 3 to get x on a side all by itself. We would have x equals 2. That's exactly what they're talking about because that makes the statement true. Unlock the problem. In the 2009-2010 season, the women's basketball team of Duke University lost 5 of their 29 games. The equation W plus 5 equals 29 can be used to find the team's number of wins, W. Determine whether W equals 14 or W equals 24 is a solution of the equation. And tell what the solution means. Use substitution to determine the solution. So this word substitution here means we are going to take out the variable and we're going to substitute it with one of the two numbers. So we're first going to put it W, take that out, and we're going to put 14 in for W, and then the second time we're going to put 24 in for W. So let's look at that. Step 1. Check whether W equals 14 is a solution. So we're going to do just that. We're going to take W out and we're going to put 14 in its spot. So now we have 14 plus 5. Okay, let's do that. 14 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. And then 1 plus nothing is 1. So 19 is our answer there. Well, 19 does not equal 29, so this equation is not true when W equals 14. So W equals 14 is not a solution. Step 2. Check whether 24 is a solution. W equals 24. So we're going to use the same equation that we got from this story problem. W plus 5 equals 29. Take out the W and put in 24. That kind of looks like 29. (24 plus 5). Let's do that. And that is going to be 29. So the equation is true when W equals 24. So W equals 24 is a solution. So the solution of the equation W plus 5 equals 29 is W equals 24. Which means that the team won 24 games. Example 1. Determine whether the given value of the variable is a solution of the equation. So we're going to start here with A, and they give you an equation. You know this is an equation because look at this equal sign here. X minus 7/10 equals 4 3/10. So then it has this semicolon which separates the equation from what they want you to plug in as your variable, which is 3.6 in this problem. So make sure you remember to keep that in mind. Okay, so write the equation. Here's the equation over here to the right. X minus 7/10 equals 4 3/10. Substitute the given value for the variable. So x is first. We're going to take out x, and we're going to put 3.6 in its place. So 3.6 minus 0.7. Okay, so you subtract and you get 2.9, so then we'll put 2.9 here, and that is not equal to 4.3. So we're going to put not equal. You put an equal sign with a slash mark through it. The equation is not true when x equals 3.6. So x equals 3.6 is not a solution. Isn't a solution. B, 1/3 a, so you would multiply these two together. 1/3 a equals 1/4. And we're going to substitute 3/4 as a. Write the equation. 1/3 times a equals 1/4. Substitute the given value for the variable. So we're going to take out a, the variable, and we're going to put 3/4 in its spot. 3/4. Okay? Now we need to do the math. So 1/3 times 3/4. And remember, you just multiply straight across. Divided by 3 equals 1/4. Oh, and it's 1/4 is the answer. So 1/4 is equal to 1/4. Simplify the factors and multiply. The equation is true when a equals 3/4, so 3/4 is a solution. Example 2. The 6th grade class president serves a term of 8 months. Janice has already served 5 months of her term as class president. The equation m plus 5 equals 8 can be used to determine the number of months m Janice has left. Use mental math to find the solution of the equation. Think, what number plus 5 is equal to 8? Which would be 3. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Use substitution. So we're going to, substitution means that we're going to take a variable out and put in a number. Where m equals 3 is a solution. Write the equation. M plus 5 equals 8. Substitute 3 for m. So we're going to put in 3. 3 plus 5 equals 8. So 8 is equal to 8. So m equals 3 is the solution of the equation, and 3 months of Janice's term remain. Okay, go ahead and turn your page to Share and Show. We're going to start with number 1. Determine whether the given value of the variable is a solution of the equation. Number 1. X plus 12 equals 29. And we're going to substitute 7 for x. So x plus 12. We're going to put 7 in for x. So 12 plus 7 is 19. 19 will go here. 19 is not equal to 29, so it is not a solution. Number 2, n minus 13 equals 2, where n is equal to 15. So we're going to put 15 for n, minus 13 equals 2. So 15 minus 13 is 2, equals 2. So this is a solution. Number 3, 1/2 times c equals 14, where c is 28. So 1/2 times, we're going to substitute 28 for c. So 28 is a whole number, it goes over 1. And 8 over 2. So that would be the same as 28 divided by 2. So then we would have 28 over 2. Divide that by 2, divide 2 by 2, 14 over 1. Anything over 1 is its number, that same number. So c equals 14, 14 equals 14, so that is a solution. Number 4, m plus 2.5 equals 4.6, where m equals 29. Or 2.9. So 2.9 plus 2.5 equals 4.6. So 2.9. Okay, go ahead and add those two up. 2.9 plus 2.5 equals 5.4. 5.4 is not equal to 4.6, so this is not a solution. Number 5, d minus 8.7 equals 6, where d is 14.7. So we're going to substitute 14.7 for d, minus 8.7 equals 6. So we need to figure out if that's true or not. If you go ahead and subtract, you get 6.0. So 6 is equal to 6, so this is a solution. Go ahead and do number 6 on your own, and please have it checked. I'm going to go ahead and highlight your answers here. So number 1 is not a solution. Number 2 is a solution. Number 3 is a solution. Number 4 is not a solution. And number 5 is a solution.